are in
Japan.
Nagoya.
Nagoya in Japan. And we are gonna buy the vending machine, which is our mom wants this.
We're gonna get hot drink because this is winter time.
Yeah. And now I'm gonna put the very last coin. So you see the flowers right here. And then there's like some like Japanese. And here we go.
Nice and warm. We also get this.
Wait, it's getting cold.
You want to show what it is?
So this one is corn.
Corn what?
Corn soup.
I haven't seen it yet. Corn pot.
And this one like tastes like Japanese.
Maybe Jose wants to touch that. Jose's hand also cold. Hey, here, what do you want to say? Oh yeah, that's good. Are they going? Should we take a video of them? Oh, it's not moving yet.
It's gonna like. This is the train. This is the train.
Where are we going?
We are going to Tokyo, which is we have a bonehead, which is so nice.
Yes.
I love it. I really love it. It's my first time. It's my first time seeing a booklet for my really first time.
So nice.
Mom, what you doing, guys? There
Okay.
you go.
Now, it's moving. We're going to make a video of them.
So this is how the bullet train. This is Shinkansen. This is how bullet train. Okay?
Yeah, the bullet.
So let's see how it goes. Okay?
We'll go that way. It's moving.
Oh, there's another nozomi.
Yeah, there's another nozomi. So many nozomi.
Because over here there's only nozomi.
No, also
Yes.
have Hikari
Yeah, Hikari, but the only bullet train they have.
and also Kodama.
And also Kodama. And that is the only bullet train they have.
That's not the only bullet train they have.
They have lots of trains. Tokyo has so many colors of bullet trains.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry guys.
He's out of control.